Many see their 9 to 5 as a dull prison sentence, yearning for an escape. But at Capital Roadmap, we see something different. Your job is a powerful financial asset. While the internet buzzes with side hustles and day trading, it often neglects a crucial point. Your steady salary is not just income. It's a recurring, guaranteed capital engine fueling every investment you'll ever make. Imagine this. An investor with $1 million lives off just 5%, earning $50,000 a year. If you earn that same amount from your job, you hold a human capital asset of equal value. The secret to a 7-figure retirement doesn't lie in a lucky crypto bet, but in transforming your mindset. Picture your career as an angel investor, paving your path to freedom. Let's stop dreading the daily grind and start leveraging it wisely to create a legacy that extends far beyond your working years. When you're starting out, your ability to increase your income through your career offers a much higher return on investment than the stock market ever could. Imagine you have $10,000 invested. A fantastic 10% annual return only gives you an extra $1,000 for the entire year, which is barely enough to move the needle. However, if you spend that same year improving your high-income skills or negotiating a promotion that results in a 20% salary increase, you could be adding $10,000 or $20,000 of extra cash flow to your life every single year without any market risk. This is the career builder advantage. By focusing on your professional growth, you are widening the capital tap, allowing you to pour more money into your investments at a much faster rate. Don't stress over a 2% drop in the S&P 500 when you have the power to influence a 20% jump in your primary income source, because in the early stages of wealth building, your contributions matter significantly more than your market returns. A 9-to-5 job provides a level of financial stability that is a massive competitive advantage in the world of investing, acting as a defense that allows your offense to be more aggressive, because you have a predictable paycheck coming in every 2 weeks. You can afford to leave your investments alone during market crashes, avoiding the panic selling that destroys the wealth of those who rely solely on their portfolios for survival. Furthermore, your job often provides hidden capital in the form of corporate benefits like health insurance, retirement account matching, and paid leave, all of which serve as a protective shield for your personal wealth. If you were a full-time trader, a medical emergency could force you to liquidate your stocks at the worst possible time. But as a professional, your employer-sponsored benefits absorb that blow. By using your job to cover your life's defense, you free up your investment capital to play purely on the offense, allowing you to stay invested through the volatility that builds true 7-figure wealth. The beauty of the 9-to-5 lifestyle is the predictability of cash flow, which allow you to turn your wealth-building process into a fully automated system that works while you sleep. The most successful career builder don't wait until the end of the month to see what's left over to invest. They use a strategy called paying yourself first, by setting up automatic transfers from their paycheck directly into a diversified portfolio or index fund. By automating your investment, you remove the emotional struggle of deciding whether to buy or sell, and you utilize dollar-cost averaging to buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when they are high. This system transforms your job from a task-based chore into a literal wealth machine, where every hour you spend in a meeting is directly converted into shares of the world's most profitable companies. Over time, these automated contributions grow through the power of compound interest, slowly but surely paving a roadmap that leads directly to a $1 million destination without you ever having to check a stock ticker. The ultimate goal of using your 9-to-5 to fund your retirement is the moment your invested capital begins to out-earn your human capital. There will come a day when the annual growth and dividends from the portfolio funded by your career will be larger than the salary itself. This is the point of true financial independence. Reaching a 7-figure retirement isn't about being a genius. It's about being a consistent professional who understood that their job was the launch pad, not the destination. Once you reach this milestone, work becomes optional, and your roadmap has successfully led you to a life where you own your time completely. Remember, you don't need to escape your job today to be free. You need to use your job today to buy your freedom tomorrow. Thank you for watching Capital Roadmap. If you're ready to turn your career into a wealth-building engine, hit the subscribe button and join our community of professional investors. Let's stop working for money and start making our money work for us.